Hi, this is Krishna Merchant, and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended marginally higher on Tuesday on back of gains in some of the IT shares. Although investors were cautious because all eyes are on the Federal Reserve meeting outcome, which will determine if the Fed will slow the asset purchases. The Sensex was up 0.3% at 19,804, and the Nifty ended at 5,850. Asian indices also ended marginally lower. Among others, among individual stocks, IT stocks were the top gainers today because there was profit booking last week, so there might be some value buying at lower levels. Also, the rupee depreciated today above the 63 level. And it was down almost 1%. Pharma stocks bounced in trade today. Yesterday, US FDA put an import ban for the Mohali facility of Ranbaxy. The stock plunged almost 30%. Today, there was some rebound. It was up around 4%. Dr. Reddy's advanced 3.7%. And after it got a nod for the chemotherapy drug. Amongst other stocks, Muthoot Finance was down 8%, and also Manappuram Finance declined 5% after the Reserve Bank of India tightened regulations regarding pledging of gold, and also they streamlined the process for auctioning the gold that the borrowers default on. GMR Infrastructure was up 2%. It sold a highway unit for rupees 222 crore, and that money will be used to reduce the debt. Top losers on the Sensex were Sun Pharma down 3%, HDFC fell 1.2%, and ONGC declined 2.3%. Broader markets were slightly lower. All eyes are on the Federal Reserve Open Market Committee meeting outcome, which will also determine what the RBI will do during the policy on September 28th, that is this Friday, and also this will be Raghuram Rajan's first policy. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.